Today we are going to show you our 3rd gen alarm and keyless entry. Our system includes everything that you will need to remotely lock and unlock your doors. You get the remotes, a small and compact multi-tone siren. This can be mounted in your engine compartment or inside your car, and small and compact door lock relays. Let's check out this 91 Camaro that we have it installed on. The lights will flash when you arm and disarm the vehicle. Your car must have working power locks in order for this kit to work. Now let's take a look at the inside. This system also has illuminated entry lights. This means the dome light comes on when you unlock your doors. It also comes with automatic arming and locking if you select that option during purchase. And you can add optional trunk release relay if your car has a trunk release button. Ta-da! Your lights also flash in the back when you hit your lock and unlock button on your new fancy remote. Check us out at screamingchicken.com or feel free to call or email us. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Feel free to leave questions or comments below. Have a great day.